Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet hats. It's very beautiful and amazing addition in crochet, especially for summer, and very helpful for sunset. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular hats collection. So you will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most trending and most attractive designs of handmade crochet hats. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet hats. So we will pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for your friends or yourself for more beautiful and outclass looks. Thank you viewers for watching this video for those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection. It's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So even now I am sharing with you the what is the crochet. It's a very common question. So today I am sharing with you the details of crochet. Crochet is a wonderful hobby. It's a great way to create something with your own dresses, hands, relax and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word meaning hooks, and the first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet are originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook material are aluminum, steel, and wood. Crochet has many healthy benefits including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook has over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide with millions of um, ways. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. Happy hooking, and some more details of crochet is available. So it's a eco-friendly and just a minute. Crochet, a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. Viewers, if you are interested In learning how to crochet, I am providing you with some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips, and inspirations for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, hats, scarves, sweaters, dresses, and etc. Accessories, bags, wallets, phone cases, and other items. Home decor, blankets, pillow covers, coasters, table runner, and much more. Kids' toys, stuffed animal and dolls, granny squares, awards and throws. Crochet has many benefits including relaxation and stress relief, creative expression and self-expression, portability, easy to take with you on on the go, customization, choose your own yarn, work, colors and patterns, cost effective, make your own items instead of buying them. Crochet common Some common crochet stitches include chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and treble crochet. However, if you are interested in learning how to crochet, I am providing you the best resources and tutorial available to help you get started, viewers. So I hope you all are understand with the details of crochet. So viewer, thank you so much for watching my all the previous videos, supporting me. One more time, I am very thankful to you for your support, for your kind. I am very happy to see this because my all the YouTube community are very kind and very supportive. Be support me like this forever, viewers. And if you want the pattern of crochet dresses, crochet hats, and other crochet articles, so watch my all the previous videos because my all the previous videos are very helpful for crochet lovers. And in next articles, in next time, I am providing you amazing and trending ideas of crochet articles. So you can see the beautiful color combination, and some are single colors, some are multicolors. Shades are very attractive. So pick your favorite one. These beautiful articles and hat designs. It's totally handmade collection and very viral and very trending articles. So take a screenshot or a reminder and must make these beautiful designs for yourself. When you make these design and when you apply these design on your hats and on your heads, so you are looking so gorgeous. So if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me friends. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.